I'm Michael Henderson with Down South Detailing. We're a marine detailing company out of Cartersville, Georgia. We service every marina on Lake Allatoona. I've been doing this for 10 years now. What you see here, we've got a lot of black mold and mildew that's built up on these vinyl seats on this boat. I mean, as you can see, it's not coming off. You can also see where we've used our cleaner on each side. This was the original, how it looked before. What we're going to showcase in this video is just how easy MiracleMist, what I have in my hands, is how easy it is to use and remove this mold and mildew off the back of this seat. Probably give it about 3 or 4 sprays, let it go to work, and y'all can see for yourself. Like I said, I've been doing this for 10 years, and I've honestly never found a product that works as good as this for mold and mildew. As you can see, it's already turning colors, killing the mold and mildew off the back of this seat. I mean, I literally won't even have to scrub this. That's amazing. It's about almost gone. And then once you finish cleaning the entire boat, they also offer a protectant that goes over all the seats, carpet, compartments, anything you want. Guaranteed to keep the mold away for 3 years, I think it is. But I mean, you can see it's gone and I haven't even touched it. No other product I've used has come anywhere near that.